Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share that how I made a big profit on 6th April on the stock of Asian Paint. I will share each and everything on this video. This video will be very useful for you. I will share that how and where I buy the stock, what was my stop loss, what was my strategy to take this trade, and how I made a big profit, a big, safe, secure profit on Asian Paint. So, as per my strategy, when 20-day simple moving average line and 200-day simple moving average line on narrow condition, then a big move can happen at any point of time. So we should watch very carefully, and then only we can take the right decision. So you can see that on 6th April in the morning, this red line is 200-day simple moving average line, this green line is 20-day simple moving average line, and this black line is CPR level. So this this bullish elephant bar crossed 20-day simple moving average line, and it crossed the CPR level also. As per my strategy, when any bullish candle cross 20-day simple moving average line on a perfect location, then we can take a buy trade if the second candle also cross the top of the first candle. So what I did, I take this trade on this point and add the stop loss on the bottom of this candle, because the reason it crossed the 20-day simple moving average line as well as it crossed the CPR level also. So it's become high probability trade, because the location is perfect, the candle is perfect, and there are double shorty, because CPR level also broken by this candle. So it's very important that where we feel that there is a high probability, we must take the trade, but at the same time we should add the stop loss as per our strategy only. So what happened, the stock is moving on the upside, you can see that, and it feel resistance on this level. This become the congested level for the stock. So when it reach on this point and it feel resistance, at the same time I exit from the trade and I book my profit, because it's very important that when you feel that when the stock reach on as per your exit strategy on this level where you can book the profit, you must book the profit, and after that you can wait for the next opportunity. So what happened in this trade, I book my profit. So my profit was approximately 3 to 4 times against the stop loss. So this was the stop loss, a single candle, and approximately 3 to 4 bar I gain on this trade on this point. After that I was waiting that either the stock will move to the downside, or if it cross this congested way, and if it cross this resistance level, then again I will be the part of this trade. So now we reach on the pro level, because this is the normal level where we have to take the trade, and we should book our profit and we should exit from the trade. So this is for the normal trader. When you do work on continuous basis on the same line, then after getting experience you will reach on the pro level, and where you can take a next level, a advanced level, and you can take one more trade, what I did on that day. So what happened, when it crossed this resistance level, then again I become the part of this stock, because the 20-day simple moving average line is also going the upside, and I was waiting for this congested level. If it crossed, then I can buy the stock and I can again be the part of the stock. So again I buy the stock when it crossed this level, and I add the stop loss on the bottom of this congested level. So again I become the part of this stock, and when it reach on this point, because as per my strategy, if the stock feel resistance at any important location, or if it reach far from 20-day simple moving average line, then we should book our profit and we should exit from the trade. So now you can see that it reach on this point and it reach far from 20-day simple moving average line. So as per my strategy, I should book my profit. So again I book my profit on this point, and again I was neutral in this trade also I approximately 5 time profit I gain against my stop loss. My stop loss was only the half candle of the half candle at this point. So again my stop loss was a little stop loss, but it a logical stop loss. So again I book my profit here, and again I become neutral. But the things is going on upside. You can see that this bullish tail bar reach on 20-day simple moving average line, and it start going on the upside. So when any bullish elephant bar or tail bar reach on a perfect location and it show bullishness, then we can buy the stock again. So again I buy the stock when the second candle cross the top of this bullish tail bar. I add the stop loss on the bottom of this bullish tail bar, and again become the part of the stock. So you can see that stock continue moving on the upside, and it reach on this point. So it's cross this resistance line also. So when the stock is feeling bearishness at any point of time where the stock is reached far from 20 DSMA, then we can book our profit. So again I book my profit on this point, and again I was waiting for the next opportunity. Now you can see that there is no opportunity as per our strategy, because there is no bullish tail bar, no bullish elephant bar, and there is not any bearish solid candle also. So we should not take any trade on this congested area. Again you can see that this is the bullish tail bar, and the second candle is bullish elephant bar, but they did not cross any important location, because the important location is 20-day simple moving average line and this resistance level. So the both of the candle did not cross this important level, so we will not take any trade on this point. We will wait for the right location. Now you can see that this bullish elephant bar cross both of the important location. It crossed the resistance level as well as it crossed this 20-day simple moving average line also. So on this point we can buy the stock and add the stop loss as per our strategy on the bottom of this bullish elephant bar. I did the same things and I become the part of the stock, and now on this point you can see that the stock continue going on the upside, and it reach far from 20 DSMA and it show a bearish candle. So it's also as per our strategy that when the stock reach far from 20 DSMA and it shows bearishness, then we should book the profit and we should exit from the trade. Now you can see that the stock shows a bearish candle. So again I book my profit on this level, and again I become neutral. So you can see that further there is no possibility or there is no opportunity. So I take 4 trade in a day on Asian paid, and it was a safe, secure trade. There is no gambling, nothing is everything is as per my strategy only, because every time I buy the stock as per my strategy, I exit from the trade as per my strategy, again I become the part of the stock as per my strategy. So each and everything as per my strategy only. It was a safe, secure trade. That's why I'm saying that it's a safe, secure but big profit on Asian Paint. So you can understand that each and everything as per my strategy on a logical point, because I always recommend that we should go for the high probability trade. And you can see that every point at every location or every point I took high probability trade only. So this is the main reason that you can make the big profit, but you should do each and everything as per your strategy only, as per the logic, as per the requirement only. Then only you can say that you are doing trading, otherwise you are doing gambling. So it's very important that we should make our strategy and we should understand the process. Then only we can take the right decision, then only we can take the right trade. So with the help of this video, I want to share these things only. I hope you learn something new and you will try to understand this strategy. This is my first one strategy out of my 16-day trading strategy. I work as per my 16-day trading strategy only. I never touch other than this strategy. If there is opportunity, then I take the trade. If there is no opportunity, then I do not take any trade. I am doing trading on 4 stocks only and 2 indices, Nifty and Bank Nifty. So these stocks are fixed for me because I watch or I monitor these 4 stocks only. That's why I'm doing trading only on 4 stocks. It is Asian Paint or the Infosys, Eicher Motor and Grasim. So these are my 4 stocks which I continue watch these stocks only, and I'm doing the trading on these stocks. So you should also make your watch list, and it should be a limited watch list where you understand, you can follow or you can monitor these stocks. Then only you can take the better trade, and then only you become familiar with these stocks. So it's very important. If you feel that you understand something new in this video, then you can press the like button, you can subscribe my channel, and you can share this video with your friend also, so that they can also understand the strategy and they can also learn new process and they can improve their trading system. So if you want to learn more, then you can join my webinar, which is happening every Saturday and Sunday. In this webinar I share about the strategies, my 16-day trading strategy, risk management, how the professional traders work in the market, how we can make the big profit, safe profit, secure profit in the market, how we can understand the psychology of trading. It's very important. So if you want to learn more, then you can join my webinar, and otherwise you can take a lot of learning with the help of my video also. So thank you guys. Thank you very much for giving me your precious time, and best of luck for your trading journey. Thank you very much.